NBC5. This is the NBC5 News at 6.
A Northwest suburban mother appears in court charged with killing her 28-year-old disabled daughter. A case her attorney says is anything but open and shut. NBC5 political editor Carol Marine reports.
55-year-old Bonnie Liltz came to court with family and friends. On May 27th, Schaumburg police found both Liltz and her severely disabled 28-year-old daughter Courtney unresponsive. In a suicide note, Liltz, a two-time cancer survivor with ongoing major medical issues, wrote, "I am having difficulty breathing now. If I go first, what will happen to her? I don't want her to live in an institution the rest of her life. She is my life." Liltz survived an overdose of medication. Her daughter did not, and a Cook County grand jury charged her with first-degree murder.
We'll be entering a plea of not guilty. There'll be a formal arraignment of my client.
Thomas Glasgow, Liltz's attorney, with his client at his side, said the care of her adopted child was remarkable.
This is someone who ended up taking care of a child that was cast off twice before by society. There was no one else in the world that would have cared for Courtney the way that Bonnie did.
In Springfield, lawmakers are debating cuts in assistance to families like Liltz with disabled children.
And now with the proposed budget, another $33 million is to be taken from this. What are families that have disabled children to do?
The lack of available quality residential facilities for the handicapped and the threatened cuts are part of the context of this case. The elephant in the room, Glasgow called it.
The elephant is the underfunding for people with disabilities when they reach a certain age.
Liltz's case will be heard in domestic violence court.
It is not an open and then shut case. This is something that bears examination, not only through the court system, but by society as a whole.
In a written statement, the Cook County State's Attorney's Office called it an extremely sad and tragic case, but said if the evidence exists that fits the element of a crime, it is our responsibility to bring the proper charges. The next court date is July 8th, and in full disclosure, it should be noted that I am a parent of a child with severe disabilities. Allison and Rob.
A sad and complicated case. Carol, thanks.
Thank you, Carol.